Hi, today I'll be showing you our actual turnover finish for 2-bedroom with a total gross area of 67 square meters. Showing you your kitchen space. In your kitchen space, it comes with a granite countertop, base cabinet, overhead, sink, and a provision for a range hood. As you can see, this is an open layout or also known as Korean layout. This could be your dining space, your huge living area, the second bedroom, your toilet and bath, your service area, and finally, your master's bedroom. If you're interested to acquire to any DMCI Homes properties, you may reach me through my contact details posted in this video. Thank you for watching.